Hello, in this video, I will be treating past questions gotten from SSC. This one is from 2018 past questions. And the question is, examine the importance of the jewels in the play. The way to tackle such question is something like this. The importance of the jewels in the play reveals the lust for material wealth in the people of the upper class. The people of the upper class in England actually have these materialistic tendencies to lust over things that actually are mundane for their living. They can go at any length for it. This is seen in the life of Mrs. Hardcastle, who went as far as merging her son Tony Lumpkin and her cousin Neville to get married in order for the inheritance of Neville to remain in the family. You know, this is all materialistic. Also, this is seen in the life of Neville, who was supposed to elope with Hastings away from the rural life of Mr. Hardcastle in the countryside, all because of the love she has for the jewels and the materialistic lifestyle of Neville. She actually postpones this elopement, which she, as a result, she was caught by Mrs. Hardcastle. You know, all this centers on the materialistic lifestyle of the people of England. Also, this is seen in the deceptive tendencies of Neville and Tony Lumpkin in order for both of them to achieve their goal. On the hand of Tony Lumpkin, he knows that he has a very wealthy inheritance to inherit, even if he doesn't get married to Neville. So this is the importance of the jewel in the play. The next question is, assess the role of Tony Lumpkin in the play of She Stoops to Conquer. This question is gotten from 2018 past SSC. So actually analyze the role of Tony Lumpkin in the play is Tony actually initiates the play from the beginning. His deception of Marlowe and Hastings for a joke sets up the play. He deceives young Marlowe and Hastings to the house of Mr. Hastago and tells them that house actually is the guest house. That deception and that misunderstanding sets the play for the unveiling and revealing of the character of young Marlowe, who begets the contrast of the story and the character painted by Sir Marlowe, the father of young Marlowe. Tony gets a great effort to help. He goes a great effort to help Neville and Hastings in their plans to elope with their jewels, in order for him also to get his bidding, not to get married to Neville. Tony's freewheeling ways and drinking lifestyle sets the whole play. He shows the lifestyle of the rich and spoiled children in England. Apparently his mother, Mrs. Hardcastle, spoils him, pampers him, and treats him like a kid, whereby he doesn't see and take anything seriously. He is even an illiterate. He has the notion that he has a very wealthy inheritance to gain. So actually the story and the character of Tony Lumpkin is very paramount in the story of She Stoops to Conquer. Alright, that's it on the questions from SSC past questions. Look out for the advice given in the next session.